Compiler. Today is the starting what is compiler exactly do. Just like an overview, we will go in detail further. So first of all, compiler divided into smaller programs like. So first, to start with the lexical analyzer. What lexical analyzer do? It divide the programs into tokens. What it do? It divide the program into tokens. So after lexical analyzer, where it will move to the syntax analyzer. What it do? It just make a parse tree. Parse tree. So after syntax analyzer, where we will move to the semantic analyzer. What it do? It's just do type checking. It's just do type checking. After that, where we will move to the intermediate code generator. Intermediate code generator. What it do basically? It make machine dependent code. After that, we will move to the code optimization. Code optimization, this is optional. We can use it or we can skip it. After that, target code generator. Target code generator, or we can say this is the low level language. So basically these three, intermediate code generator, code optimization and target code generator, what exactly they do? They do conversion from high level language to low level language. Target code generator. So above all this is the programs, we can say, in which compiler is divided, and all these things are also combined with lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimization and target code generator. All are associated with error handler or are associated with error handler. And in the same way, all these are lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generator, code optimization and target code generator, all are associated with symbol table. All are associated with symbol table. So basically what symbol table will do? What symbol table will do? Symbol table is stored whatever we want to store. It store whatever we want to store during the all phases of compiler. As we see, all these phases, in all these phases, whatever we want to store as a variable or whatever, it will be stored in symbol table. And what error handler will do? It handle all types of error during execution of all compiler phases. In all these phases, whatever error will come, it will handle by this error handler. So this is a simple and very short overview of compiler phases. Detail we will discuss further. This is the first thing which I discussed in the case of compiler.